Hi, I'm Jay Kramer, co-founder of Flash Memory Summit, president, Network Storage Advisors, and I want to welcome you back to day 3 of FMS 2020. With me as co-MC is my good friend and colleague, Jillian Coffin, vice president and publisher at TechTarget. Jillian, this has been an incredible 2 days so far, and we have a wonderful day 3 planned that's chock full of things happening today. You know, Jillian, I see you at most of the big storage vendor conferences every year. And on the last day, everyone is typically looking to leave a little bit early to get to the airport with our flights.
That's right, Jay. And plus, I'm not speaking about you in particular, but a lot of these conference attendees are people who usually go out, and they have some fun while they're away. And certainly the night before all the vendor parties and social events. So everyone's usually needing a little extra coffee by day 3 in the morning. So I guess one of the benefits to having the event be virtual is we can all experience day 3 at full speed.
Thank you, Jillian, for not including me with those late party crowd folks at previous Flash Memory Summits.
Right.
So let's check out the keynotes for today. We have a real rock star of the storage world with kicking things off with Amber Huffman, Intel Fellow and Chief Technologist and President of NVM Express Industry Association. Amber is going to be addressing the topic of NVM Express technology powering the connected universe and covering the roadmap for memory and what's coming next with computational storage.
Amazing. We also have a keynote from IBM Research with Jeffrey Burr. He's a distinguished research staff member there, and he's going to do a talk around accelerating deep neural networks with analog non-volatile memory devices. It's kind of a tongue twister, but this will cover the whole world of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the natural language processing for a wide range of customer use cases.
And then we have a really cool factor presentation to finish the morning. It's about DNA storage. We all know about DNA for genome research, but most of us never thought about applying that technology to storage products. We have Karen Strauss, Senior Principal Research Manager at Microsoft Research and an affiliate professor at the University of Washington, presenting what you need to know about DNA data storage today.
That's great. And don't forget that we have a special presentation this morning where we're going to talk about the popular IT Brand Pulse Awards. The winners are voted on by global IT professionals based on independent surveys. And then the surveys are designed to really measure the pulse of brand leadership in specific product categories.
Yeah, I know our audience really looks forward to that. And we have another special presentation this afternoon from University of California, Santa Cruz, the Baskin School of Engineering, which actually houses 2 of the world's leading storage research centers. And they'll be speaking about the research they do and how your companies can partner with UC Santa Cruz.
Yeah, we haven't even talked enough about some of the incredible tracks and speakers that we have. There's an AI machine learning track and a session today called Storage for AI in 2025 and How We Got There. Talk about future looking content. That's going to be really cool.
Yeah, and similarly, the hyperscale or application track, which is one of my favorites, today there's a session about that emerging technology of SmartNICs, the key to high-speed converged networks.
Yeah, and not to belabor the point, one of my favorite things about the Flash Memory Summit is checking out sort of what the future holds, right? And really getting to hear about all the innovation in the space. And I'm really impressed that this conference embraces all forms of persistent memory solutions. So don't miss this afternoon, the next great breakthrough in flash memory.
Yeah, and I want to remind everyone that FMS will stay available for your access to this content and networking with people after today. Vendors will be updating their exhibit showcases, so go to their exhibit booths, not just today, but to see the new content over the next several months. I want to thank all our sponsors and exhibitors we could not have put on this event without their support.
Yeah, I mean, for an event to be great, it really needs speakers, panelists, leading analyst firms, partners, and the vendor community. What makes the Flash Memory Summit so special is that this incredible talent and pool of subject matter experts, they kind of come together in one place to share data, share stories, and learn everything about, all the innovation we're seeing in storage. And for Tech Target, this is one of our, go-to events in the year to get updates on the industry and what's happening.
Yeah, Jillian, it's a unique place where everything from storage designers can deep dive into the technology, and IT professionals can seek out their storage solution decisions and strategies for enterprise data centers and cloud storage infrastructure. So Jillian, any closing thoughts?
Sure. I think everyone was a little sad to not have the face-to-face event this year. But I'm so happy that the flash memory team found a way to do this virtually. And it's really, in some ways, been great because, this virtual component that you developed has really been able to make the content of this event accessible to an expanded audience all over the world. And there's a lot of interesting stuff to talk about in this market. It's great that we've been able to do it online.
Yeah, with that, thank you, Jillian, for being the co-MC with me. Very appreciated. And for our attendees, we're looking forward to seeing all of you next year at FMS 2021 back at the Santa Clara Convention Center, August 3rd through the 5th, 2021. Enjoy the rest of day 3, starting right now.